Welcome to Bilink Auto Parts. Our warehouse is located in Langfang, Hebei, China. It covers about 1,000 square meters across 5 floors and handles more than UN auto parts SKUs. This warehouse supports stock management, product sorting, packing preparation, label checking, and order organization before shipment. We focus on Chinese vehicle parts, including GWM, Chery, Changan, Bilink, BYD, BAIC, MG, and other major brands. Our goal is to help overseas buyers find suitable parts, confirm key details, and build a more stable supply chain from China. Bilink Auto Parts works with overseas importers, wholesalers, and replacement part channels for mixed orders across different vehicle models and product categories. We focus on both sourcing efficiency and order visibility, so buyers can better understand what they are purchasing before the goods move to the next stage.